Hello, I am your storyteller. Today's story is from Oxford Reading Tree, Stage 3. The title of this book is A Cat in the Tree. Floppy barked at the cat. The cat ran up a tree. Biff was cross with Floppy. Wilma climbed on the wall. Wilma climbed up the tree. She couldn't get the cat. Wilma couldn't get down. Wilma's dad was cross. He put the ladder up. Wilma climbed down. Wilma's dad climbed the tree. He couldn't get the cat. Wilma's dad was stuck. Cat jumped down. The fireman put a ladder up. Wilma's dad climbed down. Oh no, said everyone. This is the end of the story. After reading page number 7, why is that cross? At the end, why does everyone say, oh no? Do you think they will try to rescue the cat again? Thank you. Please like and subscribe.